family, welcome to my channel. Today I want to crochet this very cute hat. I use 7mm hook and yarn. Make a slip knot. Make 60 chains. I made 60 chains. Measure the chains around your head. Skip 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, going to 5th chain. Pull through, pull through. 1 double crochet, yarn over, going to this chain, pull through, pull through. 2 double crochet, yarn over, 3 double crochet, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I made 8 double crochet in this chain. Skip 4 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to this chain. Skip 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to this chain. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I made 8 double crochet in this chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Skip 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to next chain and make 8 double crochets. And repeat this for this row. Go to last chain, slip stitch, make 1, 2, 3 chains. Make 3 chains, turn it, yarn over, go to this hole, I show this hole. Make 1 double crochet, make 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5, yarn over, go to this stitch, this hole, between from 2 shells in here. Make 1 double crochet, yarn over, make 1 double crochet. We have 3 chains in first stitch, 1 double crochet, 5 chains, 1 2 double crochet, 5 chains, skip this shell, one double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 chains, going to last stitch in here, one double crochet, 2 double crochet, make 1 2 3 chains, turn it, yarn over, go to this hole, make 1 2 3 4 double crochet. Now we have 5 stitch, 1 2 3 4 5, 4 double crochet and these chains. Go to this stitch, this hole, count from here, 1 2 3 4. We have 4 stitch in this side and 4 stitch in this side. These sides, make 1 single crochet in here, look like, yarn over, go to between of these double crochets, insert your hook, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, stitch 8 double crochet in this stitch. One, two, three, four, skip stitch between these stitches. Make a single crochet. Yarn over, go into this stitch, make 8 double crochet. And continue. Make a single crochet, yarn over, go to this hole between 2 double crochets and make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochet. We have 5 stitch in here in first of the row and 5 stitch in here. Turn it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Go to this single crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Skip this shell. Go to here, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to last stitch, slip stitch, make a chain, 1 chain, turn it, yarn over, go to this stitch, make 8 double crochets. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make a single crochet and continue. Go to this hole, make a single crochet, 1, 2, 3 chains, 1 double crochet in here, 1, 2, 3 4 5 chains, 1 2 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 chains, 1 2 double crochet. One double crochet, 2 double crochet, turn it, make 1 2 3 chains and 4 double crochet, 2 3 4 double crochet, make 1 single crochet. Fold this piece, join two sides together from here. This side top of hat.